Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a bookmark on a site in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app, and if you find something, and if you would like to add, for example, here a bookmark, then on the bottom right corner tap on this tree button, that's the menu bar, and the second option is a bookmark. That if you tap on it, then it's saved for you. And if you go back to your main page and search like this, on the bottom right corner you tap on that and bookmarks, then here you will find the bookmark what you left. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.